Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can get the scanner station inside of Subnautica 2. So the scanner station allows you to scan for different resources to help you find them better, or different locations. It can help you find things like the colonist bases and their biobeds for upgrades, and I'm going to show you where to get it here today. We're starting out next to the Lifepod as per usual, and we're going to head to the north. And there's a couple different places that you can get into depending on your personal preferences to scan this. One of them might be a little bit easier than the other because there isn't a predatory animal nearby. But the first one, if you go straight north, you'll find the remnants of Camp 1. And that's sort of here on top of this rocky outcropping. And the scanner is inside of this building. You can even kind of see it there right in front of us. So to get inside of here, the first thing you need to do is go in the side, go over here and hit this button to vent all the oxygen inside of this compartment. Otherwise, you can't get up inside of it. After you've done that, you're going to need to head down to the bottom here. And then in this little inlet here, you can swim out and you can go up inside of there with your scanner out, and you can scan the scanning station right here. I think you only need one of them, but I can't remember, so that's why I'm going to show you where to get two of them. The second one that you can scan is to the south here, not to the south, to the north of Camp 1, down inside of these little ravines. You can follow this current, and then in the middle of the north side of this part of the map is the old habitat. This old habitat here, it says welcome home. You can get inside next to the welcome home sign by going underneath this building up into the floor, and then we just need to work our way over here to the larger part of the base, up a couple of ladders and into this giant hole in the ceiling, and then here you will find another fragment of the scanner station. Between these two locations, you should have this done. You can hit this button to leave, and then when you're trying to craft this bad boy, it requires a system chip, some titanium, and a wiring kit. Once you have this scanner station built, you can determine what you want to look for. You can look for specific resources or specific plants. You can look for anomalies, Altera bases, or shipwreck debris. But really, it doesn't matter what you want to look for. If you search for it, it'll show you that the center here is where your scanner is, this little center orb. And then all of these orbs around it are the target. So these are what they found. These are all nodes of copper in my case. And if you click on them, then it'll actually highlight it on your HUD. So you can go to that location, grab that copper, and you'll be good to go. This is also helpful if you're looking for the biobeds. This will show you where the biobeds are in the hidden bases from the colonists. And then you can mark where these are, and you can go to that location down in wherever that hidden base is located. It's a very useful tool to have, although if you don't want to have anything selected, you can just go back in here and then unselect it by clicking it again. So a really powerful tool. Would really recommend it if you're having trouble finding something. And until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.